We had a question from a forum member today, and they asked, okay, if I buy a house subject to, the deed's going to be in my name, and the mortgage is still going to be in the seller's name. So how will this affect them if they try to buy another house? It seems to me that if the mortgage is still in the seller's name, even though I'm the one paying for it, that no bank is going to give them a loan. Well, that really depends. It's going to depend on a lot of factors. You have probably known people before that owned more than one house. Maybe they had a summer house and then a house they vacationed in, things like that. It's going to depend on a lot of factors. It's going to depend on their debt-to-income ratios. It's going to depend on their credit score. It's going to depend on the lender and how flexible they are. So there's a lot of factors. Just the fact that they have one mortgage already out there isn't going to stop them from buying another house. And that's a common question you'll get from sellers. How will this impact me if I try to buy another house? And our answer to that is, well, Mr. Seller, you know, without knowing what's going to happen in the future, I can't predict if it will affect you or not. What I can promise you is we'll make on-time payments. And most lenders look at a situation like this and will at least allow you a 75% credit towards your debt to income. And a lot of lenders after 12 months will even extend that to the full 100%. So will it stop a seller from buying a new home? Absolutely not. You know, there are a lot of factors involved there, and you just have to be honest with the seller and let them know what those are. Okay, and but plenty of sellers go out and buy another house, and hopefully your buyers will have this thing cashed out for you in the next 2 or 3 years, and it won't really impact the seller at all anyway.